everyone, how are you all? I am Vidya and you are watching SB Nursing Academy. The government of Andhra Pradesh, that is district Vishakhapatnam, has announced a recruitment for the vacancy of staff nurse, many paramedical and medical vacancies. So I am going to explain it how to apply for the post. You have to go to that official website, Andhra Pradesh website. Then you have to select that National Health Mission recruitment under DM and HO. Then you'll see that download that PDF format. You have to download it. Then it will be open in on Telugu. I don't know Telugu, so I'm going to read it in English. So this is the notification. The issue of notification is 31/8/2021. Last date for the receipt of application is on or before 15/9/2020 to 21. That is September 15th. Publication of provisional merit list will be on 22nd September. Publication of final merit list will be on 27th September, and issue of appointment orders that is on before 30th September. Okay, and then these are the post. First one is psychiatrist, forensic specialist is general physician, cardiologist, medical officers, everything. Then this is the for staff nurse. For NCD we have 3 vacancies. For the staff nurse NPHC we have 16 vacancies. Then psychiatric nurse we have 1 vacancy, and nurses for geriatric care, that is palliative care, we have 3 vacancies. Staff nurse for DEIC, that is RBSK, the school health nurse, we have 2 vacancies. So totally there are 25 vacancies for staff nurse. And then for lab technician we have 1 vacancy, and LTs under fluorosis, lab technician under fluorosis we have 1 vacancy. Okay, the salary for a staff nurse is 22,500 rupees, and we have application forms for that. Here we have, and the documents needed for this vacancy is filled application form, attested copy of latest caste certificate, then attested copy of marks memo of SSC or equivalent certificate, attested copy of 5th to 10th candidate studied, that is mark list, attested copy of nativity certificate issued by Tahsildar. This recruitment is only for Andhra Pradesh candidates. This is not for any other candidates like any other state. This is because if they are requiring their nativity certificate, then it will be only for Andhra Pradesh candidates. Then attested copy of degree and PG certificate, then attested copy of council registration certificate, then renewal certificate. If they are physically handicapped, they are need that physical handicap certificate, then ex-serviceman certificate, and copy of experience certificate. Okay, these are all the required documents for this application. This is for the medical officer application form. Then this is for the post of staff nurse application form. The application number, name of the applicant, the things will be filled by the office only. The name of the applicant in block letters, name of the father, name of the mother, name of the husband or wife if married, gender, date of birth, then religion, caste, then latest passport size photo, then address. Then we have, if we are physically handicapped means we have to tick that yes or no means no, then ex-service means yes or no, then nativity certificate, proof, that is the nativity certificate. Then study certificates from 4th to 10th, that is school name, village, mandal, district and year of passing. Then 10th mark list, higher secondary mark list, then college mark list, that is GNM or BSc mark list, then nursing council registration number, we have to tick it and we have to enclose it, this everything. Then experience certificate, then type of qualification, academic or technical. Okay, if technical means GNM or diploma or BSc nursing. Academic means if they are in intermediate, that is then we have to declare it by sign. These are the required documents. They are same like before we have seen it, no? Fill the application form, attested certificate, latest caste certificate, SSC certificate, and then 10th mark list, then nativity certificate, GNM or diploma, BSc certificate, then qualifying examination marks memo, that is mark list. Then this thing, everything will be same. Nursing council renewal certificate, nursing council certificate, everything we have to attach with that application form. These are the things we have to submit. Okay, this is under only for the contract basis. This is not the permanent job, this is for the contract basis. So those who want to work under the government sector, you can apply for this job. That is only the Andhra candidates can apply it, not any other candidates. Okay, then please like, comment and share. If you not subscribed it, please subscribe it and press the bell icon and press the all symbol. Thank you for watching.